Welcome friends to our YouTube channel Hobby Ideas Coins Yappa. Today we are discussing about the second part of the Indian coin mint marks. So friends, let's start. In some years of 80s and 90s there was an acute shortage of regular coins in India. Indian mints were not able to mint coins up to the requirement. Then the Indian government decided to seek help from the mints of foreign countries. So, in the years of 1985 to 2001, they minted and imported regular coins from foreign mints across the world to overcome the shortage of the coins. There are 19 coins minted outside India. Not even a single commemorative coin was minted outside the India. Friends, first in our list is Seoul Mint, South Korea. Seoul Mint uses 5-pointed star mint mark similar to that of Hyderabad Mint, but the star mark is placed below the last numeral of the date, whereas in Hyderabad Mint struck coin, the star-shaped mint mark will be placed just below the midpoint of the date. This mint mark was only used in 2 rupees coin in the year of 1987 and 1988. The second foreign mint in Indian coins is Daegu Mint, South Korea. Daegu Mint coins also have the 5-pointed star mint mark, but this star mark will be placed below the first numeral of the date. This mint was used in only 50 paisa coins in 1985. This 50 paisa coin has one of the most beautiful floral designs of independent Indian issue of coin. The third foreign mint in Indian coins is the Royal Canadian Mint, Ottawa, Canada. The Royal Canadian Mint have the alphabet C placed below midpoint of the date. This mint mark was used in 4 Indian coins, that is 25 paise 1985, 25 paise 1988, 50 paise 1988 and 10 paise 1988. The fourth foreign mint in Indian coins in our list is British Royal Mint, Lantricent, London, UK. The Royal Mint uses the diamond-shaped mint mark similar to that of Mumbai Mint, but the mint mark is placed below first numeral of the date, whereas in case of Mumbai Mint, the diamond-shaped mint mark is placed below the midpoint of the entire date. The mint mark was only used in 1 rupee coin in the year of 1985. The fifth foreign mint in our list is Moscow Mint, Russia. Moscow Mint coins have the alphabet set MMD written in a particular style below the midpoint of the date. This mint supplied 2 rupees national integration coins in the year 2000 and 5 rupees coins in the year 1999 and 2000. The sixth foreign mint used in Indian coins in our list is Kremnica Mint, Slovakian Republic. Kremnica Mint coins have the alphabet set MK written within a circle just below the midpoint of date. The first look at this mint marks look like a smiley. This mint mark was used in only 1 rupee coin in the year of 1998, 1999, 2000 and 2001. The seventh foreign mint used in Indian coins in our list is Oesger Mazdach & Co. Mexico City Mint, Mexico. Mexico City Mint coins have alphabet M with a small O placed above it. This mint mark was only used in 1 rupee coin in 1997. The eighth foreign mint used in Indian coins in our list is Haydn Press Mint, Birmingham, UK. Haydn Press Mint uses the alphabet H and is placed below the last numeral of the date. This mint mark was only used in 1 rupee coin in the year 1985. The ninth foreign mint used in Indian coins in our list is Pretoria Mint, South Africa. Pretoria Mint coins have the alphabet M written within a semicircle just below midpoint of the date. This mint mark was only used in 2 rupees coin in the year 1998. Still now, the last foreign mint used in Indian coins in our list is British Royal Mint, Tower Mint, UK. Tower Mint coins have the alphabet U written in a particular font just below the midpoint of the date. This mint mark was only used in 2 rupees coins in the year of 1999. I will hope friends you have enjoyed the video and get too much information about the Indian coin minting from our video. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks friends for watching the video.